everyone, welcome to this video where we are given a diagram and an equation of AC is y equals to x minus 3. AC is this line. BC has the same gradient as the x-axis. X-axis is a horizontal line. So BC is eventually a horizontal line. Coordinates of B is also given 0, 4. Find the coordinates of C. So if I were to look at point C, right, I won't know the x value yet, but I do know my y value. So my x value, I won't know yet, but I do know my y value. Y value is 4. So this is my x and this is my y coordinate. And I also know my equation, AC. So to find part A, right? I could simply substitute y equals to 4 into this equation. So my y, I'm not going to write as y anymore, I'm going to write as 4. So my x minus 3 equals to 4. And from here I can easily get my x. I just need to plus 3 on both sides. Therefore, the coordinates of C will be 7 and 4. Done. Calculate the length of AB. Well, the most straightforward method would then be, you can see that this is 4 units and this is 3 units, isn't it? So I could easily tap on my knowledge of Pythagoras theorem. 4 square plus 3 square, and I square root them. 5 units. Done. Find the equation of AB. Step 1 would then be, for part C, step 1 would be to, let me just position it neatly. Step 1, find the gradient. So the gradient of AB would be equals to, well, point A. If I could tap and write down the coordinates, will be x is 3, y is 0, b is x is 0, y is 4. So this will be my x1, y1, x2, y2, and I can simply apply the formula of y1 minus y2 over x1 minus x2. So I will have 4 minus 0 divided by 0 minus 3. Well, that will give me negative 4 over 3. So that's step 1. Step 2 then, I will need my y-intercept. And do I know my y-intercept? Yes, 4, because it cuts y-axis at point 4. So my y-intercept, C is equals to 4. And combining these two, the equation of AB is therefore y equals to mx plus c m is my gradient. negative 4 over 3. C is my y-intercept, 4. So if I were to write it out, it will be simply negative 4 over 3 x plus 4. And we are done. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.